This photo is not shot by a professional photographer. It is created by AI. Open lang natin itong Bing. Then, go to lang tayo dito sa may bandang right side. Ito, yung image creator ng Bing. Mag-sign in lang tayo dito. Then, ito yung mga nagawa ko na. A mouse waiting at a bus stop in Tokyo. Galing, no? Ito yung jellyfish na ginawa natin sa space. Then, ito yung burger na generated ni AI. O, gawa ulit tayo. Healthy, organic, dinner, and plate at the right setting. And brain lang natin na mag-generate. And yes, eto na siya. Napaka-realistic nung output niya. Pwede natin siyang i-download, right-click, save as, then masisave natin yan. So kung nag-struggle kayo to come up with high-quality images for your blog or para sa iyong social media posts, well, the Bing Image Creator can be a game changer for you. The best part about Bing Image Creator is napaka-user-friendly. Madali lang siyang gamitin. If you are tired using generic stock photos and want to take your visual content to the next level, give the Bing Image Creator a try. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.